Listen up, framing contractors. Have I got a tool for you? Are you tired of working with aches and pains? The Max SN883RH3 SuperFramer will save your body from aches and pains. At 7 pounds, this compact 21-degree framing nailer is lighter in weight and 30% shorter than conventional tools, allowing you to fit the tool easily in between studs. But that is only the beginning of what makes this tool so awesome. The Max SN883RH3 is a very durable magazine. Everybody drops stuff, but the Max magazine is a stronger extruded aluminum design. A magnet in the nose holds the last nail of the strip in place to prevent jamming. Less jamming equals less driver breakage. Pointy teeth on the contact arm allow you to get a firm grip on materials when toenailing. Put the nail where you want to. Max includes a free rafter hook on their framer. Hang it when you need to. Max includes a single fire trigger per the ISANTA safety standard. But we also include a rapid fire trigger at no cost. Rock and roll when you want to. One of the SuperFramer's most distinct features is a patent maintenance-free end cap filter. This filter captures foreign substances trying to creep their way into the tool and automatically ejects them when the air hose is disconnected. Keeping sand and dirt out of the tool extends the life of the tool. Come on, who doesn't like a durable tool? And last but not least, the SN883RH3 SuperFramer is equipped with this neat swivel fitting to stop the annoying tangling of the air hose. Don't get tangled up. Now that you know why the Max SuperFramer is the best on the market, what are you waiting for? Go out and buy one today. Find a local dealer on the Where to Buy page at www.maxusacorp.com.